Hello. Uh, coreBOS, this video is about a new feature in coreBOS that we added about searching on the list view. I'm going to show you how to activate this and how it works a little bit. But first, I want to show a very interesting feature that is already here and that you can use that some users don't know it's there or don't really know or don't get the best out of it for some reason. Here in this search panel, when you go to the list view, we have a quick search, which permits you to search on the columns that are here, that are below. Okay, so in the list view, I have organization number, name, city, website, phone, and assigned to, and those are exactly the same columns that appear on this quick search list here. That permits me to search quickly on, I don't know, for example, these three letters on the name and search. So I get the 19 records that have this string in this field. This is a contains. You can't do starts with or bigger than or any kind of stuff like that. If I change the filter, created a filter here with some columns, number, text, and date fields and stuff. Obviously, the list, the quick list here, adapts and changes. So I get to search on the columns I have below. Okay, but obviously sometimes you still want to search. You want to see this list view, but you want to search on other fields that are not here, or you want to search even on these fields but with different conditions. For that, we have this section here, the advanced, yeah, this advanced search link here, which is kind of discrete and kind of maybe hard to see. But if you click on that, it opens up a new search view where you can actually do very complex searches. For example, if I want to do an organization name, starts with CH, then I search. Now I get 18, and as you can see, only those that start with CH. So it's a bit more powerful in that sense. And also, I have here all of the columns that are, all of the fields that are in the module. So I could do a search on any column that is not even on the list view. Additionally, we can add new conditions. So we can easily do, for example, that starts with and that contains an E, for example, which would now bring me down to 18. They all have an E. Okay, and about an A. Okay, 16. Okay, so you can do this. Even you can add a new grouping and add another condition. Okay, so it would be all of these or all of the organization names that start with an M. Okay, so now I have both. Okay, these are very, very complex, very powerful conditioning filter. Okay, now what we added is that since many people don't go into the advanced search and to do this kind of stuff, we added a new feature, whereas you can quickly search on the columns here. To activate this, we have to go to the global variables module. Let's open this up and create a new global variable, which is called application list view column search columns. Okay, this one. This is a Boolean, takes 0 and 1. I'm going to activate it on the organizations module. Okay, that should do the trick. And now if I go back here to organizations and load this, effectively I see now that I have this new search column, search options here. Okay, so we can even hide that one. This hiding can also be done, and there's a global variable for that too. By default, I think it's application search something. Application search. Okay, let's list view search panel open. Okay, that one is also Boolean, so you could define a global variable, so you could hide the search by default now that you have this one activated. And here I can do CHE like I did before and do a search. and I get the 19 that I had before. Okay, so it's a quick search here that I can do on anything, on any of the fields that are present. So it's very similar to the list view I had before, the filter view, this one here. It's very similar because I can search on only the columns that are in view on the filter. And I can search inside with the contains kind of thing by default, okay? But it does take it a little bit further. Here we have two icons. One is to clear the search, and the other one is to actually change the value of the condition. Okay, so we can have not equals to, starts with, ends with, contains, and does not contain. So I could change it to does not contain. And if I do the CHE again, instead of 19, I should now have 1,160. Basically, probably almost all of them, really. If I clear this button here is to clear. Okay, this first icon clears the whole condition. So I get 1,179. So there's only 19 that do not have CH in them. Okay, so it's a very nice feature. And you can do an add, which you could not, an and, which you could not do before. Okay, so now we have, I'm looking for the contains, CHE, and I want the ones assigned to these two users. Okay, so that gives me, oh, so that was an or. Oh, that's an or. I thought it was an and. Let's clear that up. And let's do that again. CHE, that gives me 19. Okay, if I do CHE and this user, it actually does a bigger set. Okay, so now I'm getting, and it's an or. I thought these conditions were joined by an and, but no, they're joined by an or. So so we can actually do these conditions like this. Okay, if we change to another view, okay, the columns search changes. In this case, it knows that this is a date field, so it gives me a range. This is a check field, so it gives me a yes or no. Just like here, it gave me this one, which was the select the users. Okay, so this did all the ones that are yes. Very nice. Very nice. If it's a number, it gives me the conditions are bigger than, equals to, not less than, greater than, all this. So that also works. Very nice. And again, we did the or. Okay. If we have a pick list, let's add a pick list here to this view. Let's add here the pick list here at the end. Ownership, other employees, ratings. Okay. The view adapts and shows me here all the values in the pick list, so I can easily say this one and this one, and I would get those filtered. Very nice. Okay, so it's a very nice feature here to search on. It's not as powerful as the advanced search, but it is more powerful than the basic search that we have here, and it could help because it is more evident than the advanced search, which is kind of hidden away there. Okay, well, I hope that that helps your users and make the best, get the best out of, or make a more productive coreBOS on your day-to-day business. Thanks for watching.